doing a little prep for work tomorrow. I'm going to take some of that tomato stuff that I've been doing, only I'm doing a twist. So I need 125 grams of the Rouse marinara. Okay. And then, you know, I've been using heavy cream. Well, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream is 50 grams, and I've been doing 2 servings, so that's 100 calories. I mean, 1 tablespoon is 50 calories. So I've been doing 100 calories with this. Well, I got to looking at my Rouse Alfredo, and 2 tablespoons is 50 calories. So I'm going to try using half of a serving, which is 2 tablespoons of this Rouse Alfredo, 30 mils. So we're going to try this in this soup tomorrow. So I may think it's gross, but I mean, Alfredo and marinara, come on now. You can't go wrong with that combo. Okay, so I'm going to mix it up. It's bedtime. I really shouldn't be doing this because I ate earlier. But let's just, you know, I got to lick the spoon so we know how good or bad it is. Let's see. Hey, that's pretty good. I like it. So, yeah. So it's going to be half of the calories of heavy cream by using the Rouse Alfredo. Hey, it's all about figuring out ways of doing what you got to do. So now I'm going to put a lid on this, and it keeps it thick because, you know, heavy cream is thin. So I'm going to take this to work tomorrow, so you'll see it at my next meal from what you're seeing right now. I'll have my protein coffee. Look at that. I need to shake it up. Woo! There we go. I have to shake it up. That looks better. So I'll have my protein coffee in the morning when I wake up. And I'm taking this to work tomorrow. I'll see if I like it or not. Then, of course, my 6 ounces and 6 ounces of 80, 20, and 93. Then I'll be taking this tomato Alfredo soup. And I got a spoon. So there you're going to see all this stuff in a little bit. Hello. It is almost 11. 6 ounces of 80-20 and 6 ounces of 93% ground beef. And the soup that I made, which is the Rouse marinara, and half of a serving of Rouse Alfredo. So that is my lunch today. Y'all, this soup, amazing. The marinara and the Alfredo, try it. I'm at a restaurant with my fabulous hairdresser, and where it's called Grecian Steakhouse. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get, but that's how things look here. Going with the salad, it has a combination of ranch and blue cheese and some cottage cheese. And my main course is pork chops. It's gonna be delicious. Hey there. So this was a first for me. Hang on, I'm trying to set my phone down. And I'm crooked, but oh well. This was a first for me. You know, I showed you my salad and cottage cheese and my pork chops. And I wasn't full, but my brain worked like a normal person's. I have that much left. 9 out of 10 times my whole life, I had to eat it all. I felt very compulsive to finish it. I had to eat it all. And so, yeah, that was kind of weird. I had that much left, and I'm like, yeah, okay, I think I'm done now. Weirdest thing, not full. I mean, I'm comfortably full, but not stuffed, like overstuffed. So, yeah, that was the weirdest thing, and it just doesn't happen to me very often. So, a new experience. Okay, bye.